Alright, in this video we're going to take the ground cornmeal that we just made and we're going to make Hoecakes, because you know, hoes gotta eat too. And we're going to make Johnnycakes, because I guess John's gotta eat too. That's a joke. I said that's a joke, son. Anyways, so it's just real quick and easy recipes that you can take and extend the grounded, dried and ground corn that we made previously, just to give you some ideas and stuff like that. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's make some Hoecakes and some Johnnycakes. Okay, so we need a cup of boiling water. I got some boiling water here. So I'm going to measure out a cup. Alright, so, okay, so we have, I'm just doing a half recipe. The full recipe will be below. And this is half a cup of cornmeal, and that's the cornmeal that we made from sweet corn. This is a quarter cup of flour, right. And then a quarter of a teaspoon of salt, and then 1 cup of hot water. And then we're just going to kind of mix this all together. So in your preps, I highly suggest you get one of these portable stoves here. They're very convenient. You do need to have your propane gas canister, so get a cart or a crate of those, a box of those, so you have them as backup. But you install them, and then this gives you good gas flame. Now this is a cast iron skillet that I have conditioned, and we're going to cook the Hoecake on the cast iron skillet, as opposed to these electric eyes, which doesn't really work very well for the cast iron. You can do it, but it's just something about a full gas flame, something about a flame and cast iron that really works. So the way that these work, and this is a Gourmet Chef brand, is you lock the canister down, the gas canister down, and then you can flip it all the way, and it should pop on. So there is your flame. It's on. Alright, again, I'm not quite sure what the life is of these canisters. I should know that, but I don't know how long you can get a continuous flame. But I'm going to turn this down to about medium. Yeah, there we go. So that's this thing about the flame. You can control the flame. So we want this cast iron to get hot. If it's conditioned correctly, your cooking surface is like Teflon. It's better than Teflon. Nothing should stick to it. We will see. I might put a little butter in here just to be on the safe side for this demo, but technically, if you have a well-conditioned cast iron skillet or a Dutch oven or whatever, it shouldn't stick. Nothing should stick to it. Into the skillet here. And then, so here we go. I'm gonna drop this out a little bit. So I can add a little bit more water to this close out a little bit more, but it'll be just fine. Turn this down a bit. Now, for Johnnycakes, the difference between Hoecakes and Johnnycakes is we're going to use cold water versus boiling water for Hoecakes, and we're going to use cold water for Johnnycakes, and we're going to add an egg as a binding agent. So we have, and again, I'm just doing a half recipe, so we have a half a cup of our cornmeal that we ground up from actual corn, raw corn, and then we got a 1/4 cup of flour I'm gonna add, and then again 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Add that. We're gonna add our cup of water here. And our egg. And then we'll blend that all together. Okay, so cast iron skillet's starting to smoke. We're going to just like a pancake batter, we're going to do our Johnnycake batter. I'm going to pour this in here. I'm going to make a little pancake, like so. Okay, so we're ready to flip. Here we go. Looks just like a pancake. It's Johnnycake. Okay. Alright, so we have the chief taste tester here for both the Hoecake, which is here, and the Johnnycake, which is there, to tell us her thoughts on what they taste like. Now this is made from the ground cornmeal that I made, right? So again, I just candidly, I'll tell you my thoughts afterwards, but go ahead and try. And again, this is without syrup or honey or jam or jellies or butter or anything. This is just raw, or just naked, as we would say. All right. So that's the Johnnycakes. So try that. Tell me what you think. Look like pancake.
Tastes like corn.
Tastes like corn?
Yeah. It's pretty good though.
It's good though? That's good? Okay. And that's the Hoecake.
I think I like this one better.
You like that better?
Yeah.
That has egg in it. This has egg in it, just so you know. It's more like a pancake, but you like this better. See, I don't like Hoecakes. I like these. I like the Johnnycakes. That's why I wanted your opinion first. Let me see what happened. Maybe I did something different this time around. Yeah. No. Let's see. Let me taste this one here. Now, maybe I see what you mean. You can taste more of the corn with the hoe cake here. This is used with boiling water, and this is used with cold water and egg. That's the difference, to be honest. So, anyways, I mean, and this is using sweet corn, and there's different types of cornmeal, the white cornmeal and regular cornmeal that you can make such things out of. Both of them are palatable. Both are good, you know, right? You can eat this, you know. I'm gonna fry up some eggs in a minute here and have some breakfast, but I don't know. I just still prefer the Johnnycakes, but that's just me. Anyways, thank you, official taste tester. So anyways, there you go.